Did you know that WordPress is the most popular website building platform? It currently powers over 34% of all websites on the web. It is also open source code, which means anyone can change or create code for WordPress. 61% of all infected WordPress websites are out of date. Is your WordPress website out of date? First, you must know there is no 100% guaranteed way to secure a WordPress website. And there are ways to minimize your risk. Even if your website is small and you don't think it's significant to hackers, your site is vulnerable. See, your website is not necessarily hacked by a person. There are computer programs that search the internet for sites with vulnerabilities. Hackers use these out-of-date sites to redirect visitors, spread viruses, or even to mine Bitcoin. Think about what would happen if you didn't update your phone's software for a couple of months. Your phone may not work properly, it may slow down, among other things. Your WordPress website is in the same situation. I offer a comprehensive maintenance package for $99 a month, which includes WordPress core updates, plugin and theme updates, security and malware scans, all with a secured cloud-based backup. Your business is running on the World Wide Web. You want a safe, fast, and world-class interaction with your clients. Ideally Digital's maintenance package for $99 is your best bet to keep your sales rolling in. Contact me today to schedule your live one-on-one evaluation of your website. While I'm doing my best, you can watch exactly what's going on your website. Schedule your appointment today. I'm looking forward to being a part of your business's success.